GTII, HUBC, or WISA? Which one should you buy today? Global tech industry is right now uptrending on $4 million in trading volume as of March 28th. But it will take days, maybe weeks for it to go where we want it to go. All right, GTII chart right here. We're going to go more in depth in that in a moment. My Discord is most well known for predicting instant short squeezes. My name is Coach Coda. I've called over 100 short squeezes in the past year. Congrats to J9988 for his 1.5 grand win today. Remember when I called out NAAS 2 days ago? Well, it just short squeezed. We called out another short squeeze. NAAS went from $5 all the way to $8, okay? From our $5.34 buy-in to $7.79 in 1 day on 1.38 million in trading volume. Approximately $5 million was invested into this company after I called it out. The money, we took profits on NAAS. All my traders are making money. I call them the money printers. Everyone in the Discord makes some money. 50% increase on NAAS. A-Labs reaffirms the 20 million pipe investment. We're talking about HUBC now. A-Labs reaffirms the $20 million pipe investment in Hub at $10 per share. Remember this news? Remember when I told you not to overreact to this news, to think that HUBC was going to go to $10 and that you were going to 5x your money? Do you remember, my wonderful traders who watch me on YouTube? First of all, if you guys enjoy me showing you how to get out of stocks that are going to literally kill your bank account, then please do your part and drop a like, because I rely on your likes. And guess what? Every single trader who is trapped in HUBC, in Bed Bath & Beyond, in WISA, they rely on your like. So it's not going to cost you anything, and you'll be doing a huge service to everybody. HUBC at $10 was not a good buy. HUBC at $3 was not a good buy. I can't repeat this enough, that there's so many traders who will try to mislead you. You can't take the news at face value. Never take news at face value. So let me actually show you right here, okay? On this screen, I'm going to show you how you should never take news at face value, because there was this investment in HUBC, right, at $10, and this was a pipe investment. This was in admittal. So HUBC is not valued at $10. Somebody bought HUBC at $10 in the past. Just because somebody bought HUBC at $10 in the past does not mean HUBC will go to $10 eventually. It just means that HUBC is slightly more valuable than we initially thought that it was. Now, HUBC was trading at about $2 when this news came out. The stock went all the way up to $3 after this news came out, which is why we were able to get a really good trade off of it and make some money. But if you guys remember, I was selling at $3. I wasn't expecting the stock to go to $10. I was selling, and I was telling all my traders to sell. You can see in my video here why I'm selling HUBC. Selling 10,000 shares now, okay? It was in that video that I published before HUBC started dumping, and now HUBC fell all the way to $1.57. So it's down more than 50% from its highs, and it's looking to go even lower. So this is why I sold 100% of HUBC, and why I hope and I pray that you were able to get out of HUBC with me. I predicted over 100 stock dumps in addition to the short squeezes. Some of those stock dumps were HUBC, Bed Bath & Beyond, okay? We had TRKA. I predicted that those stocks would dump before they actually dumped, so that I could save you money in your bank account. I'm just trying to do my best here as a professional trader to help you save money on your bank account. I've been trading for over 10 years, and my calls are as good as gold. Teddy Zane said to buy HUBC. Of course he did. He said to buy HUBC at $2, and of course it went to $1.57. Our traders like this making you money, you have to ask yourself that and consider whether you should actually keep following those traders. In the meantime, I did call out DNMR, which is up $4,000. We're a little different. We also called out AUPH yesterday, and that went all the way up to $10, $11.74. We're up $1 per share. So let's some updates on our trade. Yes, we did call out even more short squeezes and made hella money. But Wisa stock here, down 32% today. Yes, WISA stock is down again. And yesterday in the video where I called out AUPH, in that same video, I told you not to buy WISA because it's going to keep going down. The stock is down 32% today, and it's a simple case of manipulation. You guys remember my video yesterday, don't buy Wisa stock until you watch this. It's a sell warning, right? I hope you got out after my warning, because now Wisa stock is down 32%, right? It's down, and it's down bad. Make sure that you join a live trading event if you want to make money. Guys, I can't tell you enough how traders lose money because they don't know what they're doing yet. It's not their fault. It is not your fault. How can you know how to trade if nobody ever teaches you? I'm a professional day trader. I've been doing this for 10 years, and I'm better than any other trader you can possibly imagine. We had 10 callouts. 9 of them were winners, and they were short squeeze winners too, going up 5%, 10%, sometimes 50 or 100%, like the one on AIMD. Those stocks squeezed hard. CURV squeezed hard, and all of those trades, they were all predicted by me in advance. Almost every trade that we call out here is a winner, and I'm about to show you how. In this live event that we're going to have coming up on tomorrow, actually, March 29th, you're going to get a chance to trade live with a professional day trader and see just how much money you can make when somebody is coaching you live in the market, which is what I do for all of my pro members. So watch me trade live on Discord, join using the link in the description, and you can actually watch me make you money. This is the most important moment in your life if you are planning to trade in your life, because I will actually teach you how to trade professionally and make unlimited money in the stock market. Sounds like a big claim. I am not a financial advisor, but everybody who knows me, and I have almost 100 pro members, everybody who knows me knows that I'm for real. I will actually help you make huge amounts of money in the stock market. Now, we're going to look at the charts now. So that's always exciting, right? We're going to take a look at the 3 charts and how to trade these stocks. So it's March 28th, and here's our top stock, NAAS. As you can see, NAAS went from our buy-in at $5.39, and then it went on and full-on short squeezed all the way to a high of $7.79, where we could sell it, make 50% in a matter of one day. This is the exact stock that I called out. I gave updates on the Discord. I told everyone to watch the stock. Our second stock, AUPH, went up considerably as well, and we are going to get into the 3 other charts, but I do want to show you an update on our trades. AUPH, which was called out in yesterday's video on a specific stock. It was WISA, and I told you to sell WISA. WISA is down considerably, right? And then meanwhile, the stock that I called out, AUPH, we can look at that one and see that we are up big money, right? This stock went from $10 all the way to $11.74, meaning that you can get $1 per share. You get 1,000 shares, that's $1,000. You get 5,000 shares, that's $5,000 that you'd make in one day just off of the call outs on YouTube. Now, WISA is the first stock that we're going to go over here. So WISA, if you guys recall in the video that I published, was at approximately $2.50, and I said that the stock is not going to go above $3 in the foreseeable future. Instead, you should think about selling the stock at $2.80. What exactly happened to the stock? Well, it did go to $2.80. You can see in the pre-market here that the stock went to $2.85. It had a high of $2.89 or $2.90, and then it started to dump, right? Then the dump started. So the stock opened up at approximately $2.55, went to $2.77 before the stock broke below the volume weighted average price and 20-day simple moving average and downtrended all the way to below $2. It's now below $2 at $1.93, meaning that anyone who bought this stock back when it was $4 is now down 50%, okay? Huge losses if you don't follow our trading plan. You definitely want to close stocks which are not going in the right direction. So that's why I said to sell WISA to prevent you from losing all of that money. And that's why I told you to buy AUPH to help you make a lot of money, to help you make $1 per share. And that's how our traders are making thousands, tens of thousands of dollars in the Discord, which you can join in the description. None of this is financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. So WISA stock was the first stock that we went over. Will this stock go up more? Probably not. It's all the way back down to $1.88. I can see this stock coming maybe up to $2.22, but that is risky. I really don't see that happening. And if it does happen, then that's going to be kind of an exit, right? It's more of you getting out of the stock and escaping the stock, not a buy recommendation where you should be loading up on WISA. Now, WISA has support at $1.88, but that doesn't mean it's going to hold forever. After the stock comes back up to our exit point at $2.24, and that's only if you're holding the stock right now, then it's probably going to start heading even lower, which is what happens in all these situations after the banks lose interest in the stock and have already absorbed the liquidity in the stock. The stock HUBC is down 16% today after I called out the sell. All right, the stock went from $3, where this is where I told you to sell HUBC. It was at $3. You guys can watch the video right here. I asked you to sell HUBC at the top, and then the stock started downtrending all the way down. It's this huge dump, got flushed down the toilet, this HUBC, and now it's at approximately $1.50. So HUBC, after I asked you to sell it, went down another 50%. That's why I'm the trader that's actually making you money, and why most traders actually are losing you money. So I am helping you basically sell the stock to the top and then buy them at the bottom. HUBC went from $3 all the way down to $1.50. So I'm so sorry if you only discovered my channel just now. I am going to help you from here on out make as much money as possible in the stock market. HUBC at $1.50 is going to find support. I can see HUBC bouncing to $1.70, $1.80, right? It's going to have some kind of relief rally. There's a 90% chance that we are going to get a relief rally on HUBC. Don't recommend buying it, but I just want to say that it's definitely possible to get a relief rally on HUBC, and be careful, because after that relief rally takes place, it's just like WISA. You want to get the heck out, because it's not going to give you another chance. If it holds down even more, then believe me, a lot of traders are going to be trapped. This thing can go to 78 cents. Okay, so HUBC can go down even more. Okay, and I'm going to write that down so that you guys remember it. HUBC can dump even more. Okay, just because the stock has dumped a lot does not mean that the stock will not dump more. And so keep that in your head, because otherwise you're going to start buying a stock and you're going to think, oh, this stock has gone down a lot, I can just average down and eventually the stock will go up. But stocks do not always go up. They actually, especially stocks that are manipulated like HUBC, can dump and then maybe have little spikes here and there, but overall go down for the rest of the term of the trade. We saw that happen with AMC when AMC was $40 and it's now $5, and everyone's excited because it's at $5 now, that little spike, when in reality people are still down 80% on the trade. So don't let that be you. Stop holding bags. Your day trading coach is here to help you make real money now. Right? Stocks where you can get in and the day later they short squeeze. That's what I do for you, and that's what I do in the Discord. So make sure that you join that Discord. We have one more stock to go over, and that stock is GTII. Now, GTII is the stock I'm most bullish on out of all of these stocks, but I'm still not bullish on it overall. So what I mean by that is there's plenty of other stocks that are going to short squeeze, which I'm going to go over in this video, but only the pro members are going to have access to it. So if you are in the Discord, then you're going to get the full video where I'm actually going to go over winning stocks that are going to make you a lot of money. But if you are not in the Discord, then you are not going to get access to those trades. Again, we do have a live event, so make sure to join that in the Discord as well. So on March 28th, GTII is at approximately $2.32. I can see this stock pulling back maybe to around $2 one more time, and then eventually I can see this stock coming up to $2.43. Possibly GTII can squeeze, okay? Possibly GTII can squeeze to $2.80. So possibly GTII can squeeze to $2.80. Now, this kind of trade doesn't make sense to me, because if the stock squeezes from 220 to 280, then that would be about a 40% increase. But if GTII falls, then it will probably fall to around $1.80, which is about the same amount of losses that we would get in profits. So That's why the trade doesn't really make sense to me. That being said, GTII out of these 3 stocks is the top ranked stock, meaning if I was forced to buy one stock between HUBC, WISA, and GTII, I would buy GTII. That being said, I'm not going to buy any GTII. I'm going to be loading up on a short squeeze penny stock that I've called out in the Discord, which you'll only get access to if you're in the Discord. This video is going to go on a bit longer so that I can tell all my pro members about the top stocks that they should be buying, what levels they should buy them at, and what levels they should sell them at. So if you're interested in receiving that kind of advice, then make sure to join the Discord. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?